Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're making crispy pan-seared honey butter salmon. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is clean your salmon. Once you're done cleaning your salmon, make sure you pat it dry. As you can see in the video, I put the pepper on before I put the olive oil on. The first thing you're going to do is put the olive oil on and then the pepper. This way your seasonings will stick. The seasons that I'm using is smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay, oregano, and mustard powder. So all you're going to do here is mix well and make sure your seasonings are well combined. Exact measurements will be down in the description below. Once your seasonings are well combined, you're going to sprinkle it on both sides of the salmon. Make sure that you pat your seasonings into the salmon to make sure it's well incorporated. Excuse my nails, y'all. My appointment is not until tomorrow, unfortunately. Try not to make a mess like I did. Just take your time. Here I just cut my salmon into nice thick sized portions. Okay, for your honey butter sauce, all you're going to do is melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a bowl and add about 3 tablespoons of honey and mix well. Okay, now once that's well combined, you're just going to add a splash of soy sauce. You can always taste it and, add more to your liking. Okay, here you're going to put your pan on medium high and you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then you're going to put your salmon in the pan. Make sure when you put your salmon in the pan, you put it skin side down first. You're going to cook your salmon on both sides for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once your salmon is completely done, you're going to remove it from the pan and drizzle on your honey butter sauce. Here I just added a little parsley to give the salmon some color. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you try it with your family. Thanks for watching.